Welcome back. This is John Locke, and today I'm talking about time is of the essence. Now, of course, we all know that life is not operating as normal. I look out at the cross street right in front of where I live, and traffic is pretty much dead. The whole world is being transformed, and who knows what it's going to look like after this. A lot of our habits might change after this permanently. Who knows? But what I'm really inspired me to make this video today was a tweet that I saw by a person named Webb Smith. I'll link the tweet down below in the description. And I might not get this word for word, but basically what he said was, it doesn't matter how good your brand is, how good your advertising is, how good your offer is, even how good your product is, if you don't have your product ready when the market needs it the most. Doesn't matter how good all those things are if your product isn't ready when the market needs it the most. Right now, I'm seeing a lot of manufacturers that they're switching their production from what they normally sell into doing things that are related to the COVID-19 crisis. It's happening all around the world. Here in the US, of course, we're being impacted, greatly. The manufacturers that are making this quick change, and some of them still have, some regular business too, but some of them that are making this quick change and they're getting it out there, they're promoting it, they're letting people know about it, they're getting some public relations about it. These are the people that are going to be able to not only do good for the community and the world, but they're going to be able to get the product out there that people need. The products out there that people need right now. Now, this is just one example, but there's lots of examples that happen when the world isn't in a pandemic. There's lots of examples of this happening when the world is operating as normal. You have to read where the market is going, and you have to have that product ready when people need it the most, when the market needs it the most. That's really all I wanted to say today. Just give you something to think about. Maybe you'll see this a year from now, 2 years from now, 3 years from now, and maybe it will do some good to think about this in your situation. YouTube is forever. All right. My name is John Locke. My business is Lockedown, Design and SEO, and I'm here on a daily basis giving tips on SEO. If you have a question on search engine optimization, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. I'd be happy to answer. And that's all I have for now. I will be here tomorrow. Till next time, peace.